Hey you guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're hearing me a lot clearer because since the last time I filmed the video, I ended up with a little microphone. Here she is, so cute. You can hear me so good now. Today's look is awesome and exciting because it's creative. It's a story. Like, I made up a whole little story for this look, and basically as it goes, once upon a time there was a little Christmas demon and then a little Valentine's angel. And basically they had what we would refer to as a forbidden love. And a product of that came out, GLAMPUS. So essentially, take Krampus, take Cupid, give them a love child, and that's kind of the look that we're going to go with today. We have a lot of props to help pull this all together, and it's been a look that's been at least a few weeks in the making, probably a little bit longer. So I'm really excited to do this on video today, and yeah, I'll stop talking. Let's get into it. So I look crazy. You may have already noticed that. I look pretty. I'm using one of my lighter foundations. I use that all over, and I used like a really light concealer. Would be dope if my eyebrows went up. What if we tried to color block them really fast? Oh man, I'm getting myself into something. Okay, I'm officially unhinged, and I'm gonna just tweeze off the ends of my eyebrows. I've been kind of debating on it anyways, and I really want an angled look for this, and it's just not gonna work if I have brow tails, so alright, we'll see what that looks like later. Eyebrows stress me out. It pretty much just powdered my whole face, but I think this look might take a little while, and I need the base to be done because it's really like, it's just a thing. Like I said, I really want angles, and yeah. I'm gonna just stop talking about it. I guess I'll finish. At least do my nose contour really quick. Oh wait, this is gonna be crazy. This is glitter pink. Oh shit. Alright, y'all, so I accidentally hurt my own feelings because I didn't press record. So I did this lovely pink nose contour, and I didn't record it. So sorry, but basically I just followed contour, except a little more like pointed. I don't know. I don't usually do mine so intense, but it's what I wanted for this look. So now I'm gonna move on. I have like some little under eye ghiblis I want to do, I think, and then we'll move up top to my brow. Just gonna put a little shadow down here. It kind of extends this way, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just taking like a really neutral shade from my contour palette. Actually, it's the Essence Contour Duo. I'm using this shade because it's just neutral, but I need that to serve as my like transition shade to help build the rest of the shadows off of. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on real quick too. Looks like this get kind of weird because I'm like, in what order should we do everything? But I think it would be beneficial to do highlight now. This is the Anastasia loose highlighter in Snowflake. It's just so divine. You see that? And then when I know why it casts, it's freaking gorgeous. For the eyes, I'm gonna do it a little bit like more neutral for shadows. This is a custom ColourPop palette. If you didn't know that they do that, they do, and it's awesome. You get to pick and choose and stuff. My friend made this for me. I love you, Emily. And this shade is called Take the Lead. Literally the best taupe shade that I've used. It's my absolute go-to for all my like natural glam. Natural. Kind of bringing it out, continue up this like I know y'all can see the difference. We're slaying and serving. Just blend. Just blend till the freaking cows come home. Blend until your wrist falls off. I'm gonna put a little, just a little bit of Elf Disco Queen like glitter topper. Okay, now I gotta do wings that kind of follow this pattern. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try to do this as concise as possible while still showing y'all everything that I'm doing. Oh man. Okay, so I pretty much got them to a point that I think I'm happy with. I don't know, wings are tricky. So I'm gonna take this really flat brush. As you guys know, I'm trying really hard to be more aware of where my mirror is when I'm doing my eye looks. And as you saw in the beginning, we started off strong and then I got comfortable, girl. And yeah, there's my kiddo trying to show me a wrapper. But here is a clip of me cleaning it up basically, and I'm sorry. So now I just mixed the color Bubble Butt from the Suva Beauty UV Taffies palette, and I don't know why I thought I could do graphic eyeliner and talk at the same time. And mix that with the Mayron Paradise HQ white liner and help give a pastel pink. I didn't want it exactly white. And then you just kind of go back over. And this is the new NYX Vivid Brights formula. This is the shade Don't Pink Twice, and I'm going to use it to create like a thin on top. I'm going to go full out crazy. I just got like weird and insecure about the angle of my camera, so I think this is fine. I don't know though. Sometimes I like to use setting spray instead of water for like water activated paints, but I'm gonna should rub this toothbrush in there real good. Okay, that was a little more than I anticipated. A little lash glue under my actual lashes. Try not to get my actual lashes with it. Well, no, honestly, that kind of like did something. That's honestly kind of cute AF. I'm honestly gonna try to do some mascara with this toothbrush. And I have some white gems too. Of course, it would not be one of my looks if it did not have gems on it. I'm not really feeling like there's such thing as too much when it comes to this because it's called GLAMPUS for a reason. Like if you were imagining like the most glam demon on the planet, you know? I guess we don't even really know that GLAMPUS would be a demon, but I genuinely am loving this so much. This is so cool. I think I'm gonna go off camera really quick and do my hair. We're really getting near the finishing touches. I'm gonna probably do my lips. and I haven't decided what lashes I want to use yet, so we'll see. Okay, we're back. All right, guys, we are back and looking better than ever. This is the finished look, and I love it so much, you guys. It looks so good. It came out so good. I'm so proud. A lot of it was really just a bunch of different elements that I knew I wanted to include that I just kind of mashed together, and I'm truly proud with how this came out. I think this was executed so pretty, and I just feel like the prettiest little demon on the planet. Like, I don't know what else you would call it. This is my little demon moment. Like a kawaii demon, you know? Like, I feel like that's kind of my aesthetic anyways. So I really had so much fun doing this. I love creative makeup, and that will just, I don't think that will ever change about me, truly. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video. Thanks for coming along this journey with me. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this look, if you think it slays or not. I mean, if you don't have to tell me that. You can do that to yourself. And real quick, just let me show you. My sweet friend Emily sent the horns to me when we first started talking about this look. And I got pink glitter spray paint, and we made it happen. I've changed my camera angle like 19 times right now, and all I'm trying to do is say goodbye to you guys. So I love you. Goodbye. I'll see you in my next one. Just concentrating. You can tell. Kind of putting forehead all over.